Ever wondered how the top fitness coaches are making six figures by selling their programs online? Stick around and we'll unveil all the secrets. Hey, I'm Melissa, and this is Coaching School by Thinkific, where you will learn the best tips and strategies for starting and growing your online coaching business. In this video, you will discover the step-by-step blueprint to launch your online fitness coaching business, ensuring you stand out and thrive in this competitive market. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the fitness industry swiftly changed. Traditional gym sessions shifted to online fitness coaching due to the convenience it offers clients, the freedom to work out at home, on their own schedule, and without additional costs. Trainers benefit from this digital transformation as well. They can now reach a global audience, offering various services, from one-on-one virtual sessions to comprehensive fitness programs. And platforms like Thinkific make course launching easy and accessible. So, embracing online fitness coaching isn't just about adapting, it's about thriving in a market that's growing daily. So how do you get started? In the digital world, credibility is key. Beyond formal education and certifications, you must actively build your online presence through social media and content marketing to showcase your expertise. Online fitness coaching requires a mix of technology, a personal touch, continuous learning, and demonstrating your knowledge to establish trust and expertise. Next, there are various formats to explore. Let's dig deeper into your online fitness coaching opportunities. Imagine conducting one-on-one virtual sessions, providing real-time guidance and motivation. This personalized approach allows you to charge premium rates. Alternatively, consider self-guided training plans akin to digital products. Clients purchase and progress at their own preferred pace, offering you a source of passive income. A strong online presence can open doors to social media sponsorships and collaborations, elevating your standing in the fitness community. But there's more to discover. You can share your knowledge by creating digital products like ebooks, workout guides, or recipe books, appealing to a wider audience. And don't underestimate the power of YouTube. It's a dynamic platform to disseminate your fitness insights, attract potential clients, and build a loyal following. Once you have a good idea of what format you want to use, it's time to start building your online fitness empire. The first step is to identify your niche. What sets you apart in this fitness world? Specializing in a specific area, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or a unique fitness philosophy, helps you attract dedicated clients. Next, think about investing in skills. Continuous learning is key to staying at the top of your game. The fitness industry evolves, and staying up to date on what works and doesn't ensures you offer the best to your clients. Then, set up a coaching framework. Create a replicable system for success. Define how you'll structure your coaching sessions, track progress, and provide feedback to clients. A well-thought-out framework ensures consistency and client satisfaction. And of course, there's personal branding. In the digital space, personal branding is everything. Establish a unique identity that resonates with your target audience. Consistency in branding builds trust and recognition over time. Once those elements are in place, it's time to design and launch your online course. Platforms like Thinkific make this part easier. Design your courses, set pricing, and create engaging content. Launch your courses with confidence, knowing you have a solid foundation. We have an entire YouTube playlist dedicated to walking you through how to set up and launch your first online course using Thinkific. You can find that in the description below. Once you have your product built, it's time to market. You could have the best fitness program, but it won't matter if no one knows about it. Let's dive into effective marketing strategies to get your courses in front of the right audience. First, let's talk about pre-launch hype. Building anticipation is crucial. Use your social media platforms, email list, and website to tease the upcoming launch. Share sneak peeks, testimonials from beta testers, or captivating behind-the-scenes content. Create an aura of excitement and curiosity among your audience. Next, we have email marketing. Your email list is a direct link to potential clients. Send out engaging and informative emails that highlight the benefit of your course and how it can address their fitness goals or pain points. Craft compelling messages that make them eager to learn more. Now, let's dive into social media campaigns. Create eye-catching graphics and engaging posts on your social media channels. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Use a mix of organic posts and paid advertising to reach a broader audience. Consider running contests or giveaways to generate excitement and encourage sharing. Webinars or live Q&A sessions can be incredibly effective. Hosting these events allows you to connect with your audience in real time, answer their burning questions, and showcase your expertise. It's a personal touch that can build trust and credibility. Consider collaborations and partnerships. Team up with influencers or other fitness professionals to expand your reach. Joint ventures and collaborations can introduce your course to their audience, providing a valuable endorsement that boosts your credibility. Don't forget the power of early bird discounts or bonuses. Offer incentives for early enrollees, such as discounted pricing or exclusive bonuses. This creates a sense of urgency and encourages early signups. On the big day, your course's launch day and beyond, be present and engaged with your audience. Respond to comments, emails, and inquiries promptly. Your dedication to customer service speaks volumes. After the launch, continue promoting your course and gather testimonials from satisfied clients. These testimonials will be gold for future marketing efforts, building social proof and trust. And don't forget that client feedback is invaluable. Learn how to gather and use it to refine your offerings. Continuous improvement is the secret to long-term success. Building your online fitness empire is both an art and a science. It takes dedication, creativity, and a willingness to adapt. As you progress through these steps, remember that you're not just creating a business, you're crafting a legacy in the fitness world. So far, you've learned about the immense potential of this industry, how to monetize your expertise, and the steps to build your online fitness empire. Now, it's your turn. Your journey starts with that first step, and we're here to support you every step of the way. If you're fired up and ready to elevate your fitness coaching business, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more invaluable insights and strategies. For a deeper dive and more resources, make sure to check out our featured blog post in the description. And hey, we'd love to hear from you. Drop your biggest takeaway from today's video in the comments below. Until next time, keep pushing those limits, and remember, the world needs your unique fitness vision. See you in the next video of our Coaching School series.